Well, a lot of y'all want to know what I do when I'm not RVing. Here we go. Yeah, we are working on the RV garage for this family. They're both just about to retire completely. He's already pulled the trigger, and she's pulling the trigger in the spring. And they have been RVing for years, and they've got a Class A diesel pusher, and building them a garage. Hi, this is Jack.
And I'm Karen.
And you are RV Cruising with the Kings. To store it in. I think he's finally sick and tired of paying $200 a month to store it. And we'll follow this as it goes along. Might be interesting. Y'all can kind of see some of the different things that I do. Alright, what we're doing here is right there is going to be a RV garage, 1,500 square feet. We'll have one side with a tall door in it for RV. The opposite side will have a standard garage door in it, 8-foot tall, with riding lawnmower, car, or whatever he wants to put in there. Little covered porch in the front so they can sit outside in the evenings out of the heat. We cleared that the other day. I should have started from the beginning on this. All of that has been cleared. We just pulled out the section of the driveway, and we'll move it right up here so the track hoe can load it into the dump truck. Well, we're getting ready, getting close, getting this monolithic ready. We'll be getting some steel and finalizing the forms today. Getting our termite spray done. Here we are, we're starting to pour the slab and everything. We're getting the footing portion of it poured first. Got our termite, our wire, our rebar, everything into the footing. Hopefully you can hear over the concrete truck. It's like everything around the construction side. It's either noisy or lots of activity going on at all times. And we finally got the concrete poured out. Last concrete truck's about to clean up, get ready to go back to the plant. And now we're just, it's a waiting game on the concrete. Let it dry. Let's start to set up so we can get the machines on it and get it troweled out. Now that we have the slab completed. We have Kevin, he's out there, he's starting to frame the walls up. This will take a couple days, and we'll be moving on. I don't use trusses very often. We normally stick build them, but on this particular instance, this little garage, we're going to use trusses on it. They're a two-piece truss. So Kevin's up there right now, putting up 12 feet of it, and then there'll be an 18-foot section that'll go across there. Kevin has the framing done. Now it's time for the electricians and the drywall insulators, everybody else to show up, and we'll continue on this process. Well, the framing's done, insulation's in the wall, electricians have finished, and we're ready to hang some drywall. As you can see, they've started hanging the ceilings, which is what you typically do first. Kind of difficult on the 16-foot side off the scaffolds. Now that the drywall's hung, it's time for Steve to come in now and start finishing the drywall. You can see he started already, got the low part where he could reach off the floor. Now he's working on the ceiling off the stilts. When he gets to the 16-foot side, then he'll have to work off the scaffolding. You can see this is a long, tedious thing. It'll take him several trips. It's got to dry. He's got to come back and sand. Then he's got to repeat it again. And then got to repeat it again. And then we have to spray texture. So it's a process. Well, things are coming along. It's looking. Obviously, we're pouring out the driveway now. Siding is almost done. He's got a little bit of work to do left on the back, but he'll be done by noon, hopefully. Got the painters working today. Trim carpenters finished up Saturday. Well, that's the finished product. Looks nice. He's got a really nice little area over here. At the summertime, and the sun sets over there, you'll have a nice place to sit and get out of the sun and enjoy outside. See, he's got both his coach, which is on the 18-foot side. And he's got his truck pulled in here on the 12-foot side. With his motorcycle and other stuff, but there's plenty of room. Side, there's plenty of room, slides out, and plenty of room to get around the RV. Well, this was a great build and a lot of fun as well.
Hopefully we can help you with your RV garage needs. At Jack King Custom Homes, we're here for you. Give us a call.